I upgraded to CapCut for maximum speed and this funny AI voice. Tell me if you like the new flow. Now time to wire up the Grasshopper. Routing wires through the back. Rear routing helps prevent tire rubbing, so we don't accidentally catch a forest. My GoPro decided it needed a nap. Lost some footage battling the ESC tape, using photos plus remaining clips to finish the install. Engineering genius or total luck? The ESC is cosplaying as a radiator. Let's just pretend I planned it this way. Recognize this? Same receiver I used in the Celica build, keeping the fleet on one transmitter. I'm cheap. The Velcro secret? Because paying for 5 ESCs is for rich people. It lets me swap electronics between cars in seconds. ESC hiding from the elements. Mounted on the inner chassis wall behind the servo. Safe and sound, unlike my driving skills. Fighting the spaghetti monster. Wrapped the wires of the servo for a cleaner look. This keeps the chassis open and organized. On-off switch strategy. Accessible even with the body fully mounted, because unscrewing the body is a total vibe kill. My fleet runs on a budget. Small form, lightweight, long runs, low price. Check the description for all my budget items used. Measure once, snip twice. Trimming the chassis for the Lipo fit. No turning back now. I hope. Found a small problem. The Shorty pack has way too much room. It's currently held in by hopes and dreams. The Amazon box engineering special. The cardboard wedge to stop side-to-side movement. NASA is shaking at this level of innovation. Don't throw away that foam you found in the furniture box. It's the perfect shock absorber for the Lipo. Total cost, $0.00. The final connection. Routed the Lipo wires along the chassis tub. Dean's to Tamiya adapter is now locked and loaded. Steering system check. Now it's time to see if I actually centered it. I did this part without any power at all. Pure mechanical precision. If it looks straight, it's probably straight. Trust the process, even if you don't trust me. It's alive. It's alive. Testing the ESC and motor connection. The Grasshopper is finally breathing. Testing for wheel vibration. If it doesn't shake the table, it's good enough, bringing her to a stop before she flies away. The lid is finally on. Check out those ESC wires. They look just like a driver cooling system. Let's pretend I planned that from the start. The final walk around of this Tamiya legend. Wiring is tucked and the budget is spent. I hope you enjoyed this experimental editing. Thanks for watching this new style today. Testing out CapCut's edit and AI features. Do you like this funny robot-style AI voice? Let me know in the comments.
Really let me know, and thanks for watching.